My wabbit's back out here. I've been worried that he wasn't coming around, or she, and she is. I'm so glad, because I cut the grass around the hole because I seen a snake and didn't want it to get in the hole, so I decided to cut around the hole. I was afraid she wasn't coming back around. Well, the other day I was out in the garage and she come up to the garage and made sure I seen her, hopped over here, did her business, and then come back to the garage, made sure I seen her, and then went away. So that kind of made me, but I wasn't sure if she was actually dealing with the little burrow she's got with the babies in it. But she actually is, and I'm so glad. Oh, what the hell I just did. Trying to get y'all a better picture. There we go. Guess she's either cleaning herself or getting her some fur off to put back in the little burrow for the babies. So anytime I see her around here, I'll give you an update. Of course, the babies they're not old enough to come out of the hole yet. She's a pretty cool rabbit. And they say rabbits can sense like friendly people or whatever. And I think that's why she decided to have them over here. We're pretty mellow. Try to be anyway. Don't like drama. Oh, I see one of the little babies. Can't get a better picture though. See the little baby at the bottom? See him? Aww. I'm so glad that they are coming out. That is awesome. See how many is that? 1, 2. I think I see 2. So they peel fur off their chest and put in their hole. That way when they go away, because they only check them twice a day. But that helps her find the fur that she leaves in the hole with them. And she don't stay there because she don't want to draw predators to them. That is so awesome. That's the first time I've seen the babies. The first. Now, I think they say after like a month or something, the babies get out on their own, or they start coming out more. That's freaking awesome. I'm just so glad she's taking care of them. I was scared that scared her off, or that she couldn't find her little burrow again. But I was wrong. I think I counted three babies. And I think she tucks them back in when she's all done. So I thought they would come around like at sunrise and then again at sunset, but I've been checking at sunset and I've been seeing her a bit. Around 4 o'clock I've been seeing her, or 5 o'clock. So maybe she's used to the old sunset, I'm not sure. And she's basically letting them feed off of her. It's freaking awesome. I am so happy. That she is coming and taking care of them. She's a YouTube star and don't even know it. Cool little bunny rabbit doll. Yeah, so there's 1, 2. And this is as far as my phone zooms in, so